Hello students, welcome to the online studies. In today's session, you are going to learn about your subject Social Science of Standard 6th, chapter number 11, Landforms. And in today's session, you are going to learn about the exercise part of this chapter. Let's start with the first one, that is choose the correct option. That first one, Satpura of India is a dash type of mountain. Options A, fold, B, block, C, volcanic, or D, residual. Correct answer is option B, block. Second, dash piece of land surrounded by mountain ranges from all sides is called plateau. Options A, intermontane, B, piedmont, C, continental, or D, none of this. Correct answer is option A, intermontane. Now next one, third, flat piece of land having average height of dash from sea level is called plain. Options A, approximately more than 900 meters, B, approximately more than 300 meters, C, approximately more than 280 meters, or D, approximately up to 180 meters. So correct answer is option D, approximately up to 180 meters. Last one, fourth, Wang Ho plane is a dash type of plane. Option A, erosional, B, depositional, C, constructional, or D, none of this. Correct answer is option B, depositional. Now, next one, fill in the blanks. In that first one, the Himalayas of India is a dash type of mountain. Answer is fold. Second, the Vindhya mountain of India is a dash type of mountain. Answer is block. Third one, the Rocky mountain is situated dash in America. Answer is north. Fourth one, the Nilgiri mountain of India is a dash type of mountain. Answer is block. Last one, the dash mountain of Germany is the best example of block mountain. Answer is horse. Last one, the Alps of Europe is a dash type of mountain. Answer is fold. Now, true or false, and if the statement is false, then you have to give the correct statement. First one, Himalaya is a fold mountain. Answer is true. Second, a volcano mountain has a conical shape. Answer is true. Third one, Rocky Mountain in North America is a fold mountain. Answer is true. Fourth one, a fold mountain is also called as horse. True statement, a walk mountain is also called as horse. Last one, Vindhya mountain in India is a black mountain. Answer is true. Now next one, answer the following questions. First one, what is mean by landform? Answer, landforms means various forms of the land. The land area which has different heights, has a special shape and has a slopy terrain is called landform. Second one, what is mean by a mountain, which are its main types? Options A. A mountain is that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above the sea level. Its terrain is mostly undulating and it has narrow summits. On the basis of this process of formation, there are four types of mountains. First one, fold mountains. Second, block mountains. Third one, volcanic mountain. And lastly, residual mountains. Next question, question number 3. Differentiate between mountain and plateau. Answer. A mountain is that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above sea level, with gentle or abrupt slope. A plateau is a land area generally with height higher than 25,8180 meters but lower than 900 meters above the sea level and has proportionally wide flat land at its top. Next one, identify me. First one, I am surrounded by land from 3 sides. Answer is Gulf. Second one, my hand extends out into sea up to a certain distance. Answer is Cape. Third one, I am known as an island. Answer is a land piece surrounded by water from all sides. Fourth one, I connect two water areas. Answer is strait. Fifth one, I have sea on my 3 sides and land on one side. Answer is peninsula. Now answer in detail. First one, block mountain. Due to dihydrocism of the tensile force are created and faults develop in the rock strata. The area in between two faults is raised or the central part remains stable and surrounding areas are submerged. So the remnant highland is called block mountain. The Horst Mountain of Germany is considered to be its best example. So this type of mountain is called Horst Mountain. Nilgiri, Saputara, Vindhya, etc. of India are block mountains. The height of block mountain is less than fold mountains. These are spread over a limited area on the earth. Next one, importance of plateaus. The importance of plateaus are as follows. First one, cotton grow best in the plateau formed by the fertile black lava soil. Precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold, etc. are obtained from the ancient solid rocks at the plateaus. Example, many precious minerals are obtained from Chota Nagpur plateau of India. Slopy grasslands of the plateau are situated and are suitable for cattle rearing. Fourth one, some plateaus are very favorable for tourism and film industries. Now next one, depositional plain. Depositional plains are formed into two ways. First is alluvium plains. When a river is flooded, the alluvium brought up to the river is deposited on both banks of the river. Thus, alluvial plains are formed. The Ganga-Yamuna plain of India, the Yuan-Ho plain in North China, and etc. are examples of alluvial plains. Second one, lacustrine plains. Some rivers meet lakes. This river deposit their sediments, soil, sand, etc. So this was the end of today's session.